If you're living in a tiny home or battling a small kitchen, this one's for you. Today we're checking out 20 genius Amazon space-saving finds that turn cluttered chaos into organized calm. From under-sink sliders and pull-out cabinet drawers to stackable bins, slim rolling shelves, and smart closet upgrades, every item is designed to maximize every inch. Small space? No problem. Let's transform it. And yes, all the products are linked for you in the description below. Let's kick things off with a total game changer for linen chaos. This bedsheet organizer that instantly turns messy stacks into a clean grab-and-go system. This smart foldable design keeps every set contained, protected, and perfectly aligned so you're no longer wrestling with bulky piles. It slides neatly onto shelves, saves vertical space, and makes closets look dramatically more organized. For small homes where storage must work harder, this creates calm, structure, and efficiency without adding anything bulky or complicated. You'll usually find options like this around $20 to $30. Flowing right into entryway control, this expandable shoe rack helps reclaim floor space while keeping footwear neatly arranged and easy to access. This adjustable structure adapts to your available width, allowing you to scale storage without crowding your layout. Instead of random pairs scattered around, this introduces clean vertical organization that feels intentional and breathable. It's especially useful in tight apartments, where even small improvements make your space feel lighter and more functional. Most versions land around $25 to $40. Keeping that efficiency moving forward, this portable folding tabletop ironing board brings convenience without committing to permanent setup. This compact surface opens exactly when needed, creating a practical station for quick touch-ups, then folds away effortlessly once finished. With integrated storage for your iron, everything stays together and organized. In multi-purpose rooms where flexibility matters most, this allows daily routines to happen smoothly while preserving precious square footage. Typically, you'll see this priced near $30 to $45. Continuing with smarter cabinet use, this pull-out organizer transforms deep storage into something you can actually see and reach. This sliding mechanism brings items forward instantly, eliminating wasted corners and forgotten supplies hiding in the back. Instead of digging through crowded shelves, this creates accessibility and order while using your existing cabinetry more efficiently. For compact kitchens especially, this upgrade improves workflow and reduces frustration. Expect to find models like this around $35 to $50. And carrying that same smart functionality into everyday routines, this collapsible laundry basket delivers full capacity when in use, yet folds down neatly when not needed. This flexible design lets you handle laundry without dedicating permanent space to a bulky hamper. Strong handles make it easy to move, while this lightweight structure keeps things practical for smaller rooms. It's another example of how adaptable solutions maintain openness while still supporting daily tasks with ease. These usually come in at about $15 to $25. Now stepping into fridge organization, this soda can organizer instantly stops drinks from rolling around and wasting shelf space. This structured design lines cans up neatly while keeping everything visible and easy to grab. It maximizes vertical storage inside this fridge and even works beautifully in this pantry. Instead of cluttered shelves, you get a clean, streamlined look that feels intentional and efficient. It also helps maintain better organization after grocery trips, making restocking faster and simpler every single time. You'll typically find options like this around $15 to $25. Building upward from there, this stackable storage drawer system helps you use vertical space instead of spreading items across counters. This modular setup keeps beauty products, baby essentials, or bathroom supplies neatly layered and easy to access. Clear visibility means less searching and more efficiency during busy routines. In compact homes, this creates order without adding bulky furniture. It also allows you to customize storage based on changing needs, giving you flexibility while maintaining a clean, organized environment. Most sets like this range between $25 to $40. Sliding seamlessly into unused gaps, this slim rolling utility shelf turns narrow spaces into practical storage zones. This glides easily beside appliances, cabinets, or desks, making use of inches that usually go wasted. Multiple tiers provide room for daily essentials while maintaining a lightweight footprint. It's a smart solution for kitchens, bathrooms, or offices where every inch matters. With its movable design, you can reposition it whenever needed, making it adaptable to evolving layouts. Expect pricing to sit around $30 to $50. Shifting focus to power management, this outlet cover extender transforms a single wall socket into a compact charging hub. This keeps plugs organized, reduces cord clutter, and creates a cleaner wall setup without messy extension cables everywhere. In homes filled with devices but limited outlets, this adds functionality without sacrificing space. It's a small upgrade that makes a noticeable difference in daily convenience. It also improves safety by keeping connections centralized and reducing tangled wiring. You'll usually see this priced near $10 to $20. Bringing attention back to closet organization, this foldable storage basket adds structured layers to shelves that normally become overcrowded. This separates clothing, towels, or accessories into defined sections so everything stays visible and easy to grab. When not needed, this collapses flat, keeping your storage flexible instead of permanent. It's perfect for smaller wardrobes that need smarter organization. This design also makes seasonal rotation easier, helping you reorganize quickly without adding bulk. Most versions are available for about $15 to $30. And hey, if you'd like to explore any of the space-saving pieces you're seeing, you'll find all the links listed in the description below. Feel free to check them out anytime. Now, diving deeper into overlooked spaces, this under-sink organizer transforms that awkward plumbing area into smooth, sliding storage. This tiered design works around pipes while giving you easy pull-out access to cleaning supplies, toiletries, and essentials without bending or digging. Instead of wasting this cabinet, this turns it into one of your most functional zones while improving visibility, maximizing vertical capacity, and making daily routines far more efficient. You'll typically see options like this around $30 to $50. Keeping that transformation moving forward, this durable plastic storage box delivers secure, stackable organization for items that often end up scattered across closets or shelves. This latch system locks content safely while still allowing quick access whenever needed. Because this nests neatly when empty, storage stays efficient during seasonal transitions. Whether storing tools, decor, or extras, this creates a uniform, portable system that keeps everything protected, contained, and easy to manage. Most versions are priced near $20 to $35. Flowing into bathroom efficiency, this toilet paper holder stand adds vertical storage without drilling, mounting, or permanent installation. This slim profile fits easily into tight corners while holding multiple rolls in a clean, accessible format. Instead of stuffing cabinets or stacking extras awkwardly, this keeps essentials within reach while maintaining a tidy appearance. It's perfect for smaller bathrooms needing practical upgrades that improve organization without crowding already limited floor space. Expect pricing around $20 to $30. Now elevating shelf organization instantly, this acrylic divider system brings structure to stacks that normally collapse into clutter and frustration. This adjustable setup separates clothing, linens, or pantry goods into defined sections so everything stays upright and easy to grab. Instead of constant rearranging, this maintains order automatically. In compact closets or kitchens, this lightweight solution keeps shelves visually open while maximizing usable storage height efficiently. These usually range between $15 to $25. Unlocking hidden bedroom storage, this Expanding closet capacity without adding furniture, this space-saving hanger system lets multiple garments hang vertically in one streamlined section. This multiplies usable rod space while keeping clothes accessible, supported, and easier to browse when choosing outfits. Rather than overcrowding rods, this creates breathing room and better visibility instantly. Ideal for small closets needing more storage without renovations, this upgrade delivers immediate impact. Most sets are available for $15 to $30. Protecting garments while keeping them visible, this clear garment bag offers dust-free storage without hiding what's inside during seasonal rotation. This transparent design lets you identify clothing instantly while preserving fabric quality and preventing wrinkles. Instead of bulky, opaque bins, this keeps everything lightweight, accessible, and neatly arranged inside your closet. It's especially useful for maintaining organization in tighter wardrobe spaces year-round. Pricing typically falls around $10 to $20. Finishing strong with hidden storage that truly maximizes your footprint, this underbed container with wheels transforms low-profile space into a smooth access organization zone. This rolls out effortlessly, offering stackable capacity for clothing, linens, or extras while staying completely out of sight. Foldable construction adds flexibility when not needed, making it adaptable for changing storage demands. In smaller homes, this turns forgotten space into valuable functionality instantly. Most versions are available for about $25 to $45. And that wraps up these smart space-saving finds designed to help you organize better, live easier, and make the most of every inch of your home. If you saw something you'd love to try, all the products are linked for you in the description below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stick around for more practical finds that make small spaces work smarter. I'll see you in the next one.